Today, we're about to do something impossible. I'm going to share the tips to prep for JAMB in under 1 hour. I don't mean this video will be 1 hour long. I mean we'll cover the whole syllabus in 1 hour. So don't forget about studying for hours and hours or trying to cover the whole JAMB syllabus or trying to read different textbooks. In the next few minutes, I'll magically download into your brain all the necessary information you should have into your brain. Well, we know that's impossible. I actually wish that was possible though, so I don't have to study for a long time. But in this video, what I want to give for you guys now is exactly what you need to do in the next few days to actually maximize your chances of crushing JAMB. Yes, you're not showing JAMB any mercy this year. I want to score as high as humanly possible. If 400 is possible, we are scoring 400. Right? So just sit back, like, comment, subscribe on this video because you are going to miss any of my future videos if you don't subscribe. So just subscribe right now and let's get right into the exact things you need to do. So I have 4 points that you need to follow through for these next few days to get ready for the JAMB. The first point is maximizing your revision. I remember last month, a few months past, that is January, February, I was telling you guys that when you are preparing for exam, make sure that you are having a note where you jot down important information and you also have a flashcards where you can use for revision. So this is the perfect time to use those information wisely. Practice a lot of flashcards. Read a lot of notes. Oh, my note. Look at my notes here. I have a note here. Look at it. This is my note. I've done a lot already. A lot already. So this is what I'm using for revision. I don't need to go to my textbook and start trying to cover it from beginning to the end. I just need to get my notes, start reading it, right? And that's the only thing I need to do to crush JAMB. So you guys too, if you don't have a note, but you are in luck because I have flashcards that you can also use. The flashcards contain major points that JAMB usually repeats a lot. Those flashcards contain a lot of things that you need to know. So you can go to my bio or the description in this video and go and check them out now. Click on it. I have for physics and I have for chemistry. I also have for mathematics students, but I don't have for biology. Right? So go and do that right now. Point 2, practicing past questions. Now, this is time for you to practice a lot of past questions. I know that I told you guys to revise some flashcards. Now, past questions as well. So past questions will help you in 2 things. 1, time management. When you're practicing past questions, it will help you to be able to manage your time effectively. Whenever you practice past questions now, make sure you time yourself 30 minutes per subject. I know it might be difficult, but just try and do it. 30 minutes per subject. Whenever you're solving past questions, 30 minutes per subject. And now the second thing past questions will help you with is revision of information. Now, when you're doing past questions, you find information that you have seen before, right? You know the answer to it, you solve it. But you also find things that you don't even know, that you have seen for the first time, like how can I answer this question? That's why you need to do past questions. So you can find those things you don't know. When you find those things, open your textbook. That's the only time I would like you guys to open your textbook. That's the only time I would like to open your textbook. Open your textbook and find those things. All right? Find those topics, those questions that you don't understand are from. Learn those topics well. Just in case JAMB gives you another question. It may not be the exact question you saw your past question they may give you, but they may give you a similar question to it. All right. And the only way you can find those questions is by practicing past questions. So when you find that question that you don't know, locate it in your textbook. Find the topic it is from. Study that topic effectively. Study it very, very well. And then when you come back to that question, you will know how to solve that question before you can proceed to the next question. This actually increase your chance of scoring 300 plus. I used this tactic last year and I scored 311. And hopefully this year we are scoring 365 by God's grace. 365, right? So point 3, sleep well. I know you'll be like, okay, I've been telling you guys to study flashcards, study past questions. How can I tell you guys to sleep well? Well, that's the thing. If you don't sleep well, every single thing you learn, blank memory. When you get to the exam, you don't even remember anything again. And that's why you need to sleep well, you need to eat well, you need to drink a lot of water. This will actually help you a whole lot. You don't want to miss this, please. Eat well and sleep well. When you eat well and sleep well, even when you get to the exam hall, you can even be able to use common sense to answer some questions because your brain is working well. But if you don't sleep well, you're studying 24 hours a day. Every day you're studying 24 hours. When you get to the exam hall like this, that's when you fall asleep. That's when your brain will be blank. That's when you'll be like, I know this thing, but I cannot remember. All these things are because of your brain is not well rested and you don't drink enough water. So make sure you sleep well and eat well. And trust me, your JAMB score is going to thank you. Now, the last point. This is the last point, but it's the most important point. Most important. You need to have a positive mindset. You need to have a positive mindset. Now, you'll be like, what does the mindset have to do with anything? Let me tell you something. If you believe you can score 400, you can score 400. If you believe you can score 350, you can score 350. If you believe you can score 365, you can score 365. But if you believe that you cannot score more than 250, I saw somebody that was telling me that his own maximum score is 220. If you believe you cannot score high, if you yourself believe you cannot score high, who's going to write the exam for you? No one else. You are the one that has to do the exam yourself. So believe you can score very high. Try your best to score as high as humanly possible. Set a very high JAMB score as your goal, and you can get it. Trust me. Just make sure you follow all the tips I give in this video, and trust me, there's no way you cannot get those jam scores. All right. So why we wish we can actually prepare for jam in just 1 hour. I know we all want to at least 1 hour, just 1 hour you cover everything and you are ready for the exam. We wish that. I also wish that. I don't have to study a lot of times, but it's not possible. But what is actually possible is following the 4 steps I gave you in this video. Number one, revise very, very well. Your flashcards, your past questions, your flashcards and your notes, revise well. Then 2, past questions, practice past questions for time management and for notifying your weaknesses. Number 3, sleep well and eat well. Very, very helpful. Sleep well and eat well. That's number 3. Then number 4, maintain a positive mindset. Maintain a positive mindset. If you can combine these 4, when you come back to this video next, come and thank me. You come and show me that you got a very high score in JAMB. So make sure you cover these 4 tips. Check my description for the flashcards I told you guys I have. You can check it there. And then don't forget to like this video so that more people can also see it and subscribe. All right? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.